Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercenter, and we're taking a look at the 2018 Ford Escape in an SEL trim and powered by a 2-liter EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power and fuel efficiency with 4-wheel drive capability, so you're going to be able to get around pretty well in the changing weather conditions. But let's take a look inside. First, looking at the back, we have a nice power liftgate that opens up and out of the way for you, revealing your cargo area, which is pretty spacious and can always be expanded by folding down the rear seats. And you have a cargo curtain to cover up your belongings, and underneath here you have your spare tire with some extra compartments for other tools and equipment, as well as having a 12-volt power outlet and this hatch closing again with another simple press of a button. Then looking into the back seat, where you have seating for 3 comfortably with a nice full leather interior. In the middle you have fold-out armrests with 2 cup holders, and down here in the middle you have a 12-volt power outlet. Now looking in the front, where you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a fully power adjustable driver's seat. Now sitting in the vehicle with it running, you can see it's sitting at 30,536 kilometers, so not too bad for the year. But then moving down to the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your hands-free phone and radio controls, and on the left you have your cruise controls with distance pacing technology, and your controls for your center info screen here, where you can look at your trip 1 and 2 information with all your stats together, digital speedometer, trip odometer, fuel economy, distance to empty, trip timer. Then you have your information, where you can look at your My Key status, system checks, auto start stop status, driver alert, and your 4-wheel drive status. Then you have settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. And then you have your lane keeping system on the signal stock, at the end of the signal stock there. But then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, CD, and Bluetooth capable, so you have some options there for whatever you want to listen to. And then your Bluetooth phone controls, whatever apps you may have installed, and settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. But then shifting into reverse, you do have a backup camera with reverse sensors, so you can see where you're going, with dynamic hitch views, so you can have an easier time hooking up a small trailer or something of the sort. Moving down from that, you have your media controls with your hazards, and then you have your climate controls here with dual zone front climate, so you can stay comfortable at different temperatures, and heated front seats, so you can stay cozy in the colder months. Then you have your auto start stop shut off, your traction control shut off, and then down below you have a 12-volt and USB, so you can plug something into power or charge from there. Then you have your main shifter with select shift on the side, so you can manually shift through your gears. You have your parking brake, 2 cup holders, a cubby for your phone, a larger cubby here, and then your 2-tiered center compartment / armrest, which is pretty spacious inside and also hosts another USB, so you can plug something in from there. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.